Okay, everybody, we're going to start our first weave, and the first weaving that we're going to do is going to be a triangular weave. So you need a square piece of hard cardboard or thin compressed cardboard. Remember that you can use either the cardboard that is used with cereal boxes or cracker boxes, but it should be nice and large. Okay, this one is about, I don't know, maybe almost 12 by 12 inches, but the larger the better, and it needs to be square. So try your best to get a square, hard, compressed, thin cardboard. The next thing that you're going to need to do is on your cardboard, you're going to need to prepare all these little slots on the sides. And what you need to do is grab your ruler and make your slots be ½ inch right over here. ½ inch margin, that's how far down we're going to go. So what I did was I marked ½ inch right here. Then I drew my line, ½ inch, and then lining up my ruler with the edge, every 1/4 of an inch, I made a little mark, every 1/4. After which, I went and grabbed my X-Acto blade, and I made my cuts starting, from that ½ inch margin and cutting down and cutting down and cutting down. So all of my slots are evenly ½ inch deep, and they are 1/4 separated. All right? And I'm going to do that on two sides, here and here. Next, I'm going to cut some yarn. You need to cut yarn that will be at least the full length, right, with some extra on the sides. Here I have about maybe 3 fingers extra. So full length plus 3 fingers extra. Be careful, because if you try to stretch your yarn for the measurement, that really, really is not a good idea. The best thing to do is let your yarn be loose and then take your measurement and cut. And you're going to need quite a bit of it. I think here I have pretty much about 46 slots, so I need about 46 strands, but I want to use some different colors, and I really recommend that you use at least 2 different colors. Here I have 4 different colors that I'm going to use alternating when I string up my loom here. And here I used two colors right in here. So these are 2 colors. So you need that so you can have some contrast and so that you can see what you're doing. Another thing that you're going to need on hand is some kind of a needle that you can use for weaving and stitching, but I also usually use paper clips. If you can get a paper clip and open it up this way, then you can use it, and it will help you weave this in and out.